We are revising arithmetic progression. Okay, so I will give you some key points, then we can start this chapter. Okay, so we will discuss some basics of this chapter and then we will go for the numericals. Okay, so arithmetic progression, we are writing it as a AP. Okay, A means arithmetic, P means progression. Okay, so certain number is what increases or decreases with the same value. Means, for example, I am writing 1, then 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here in 1 we are adding 1, so I am getting what 2. In 2 if I am adding 1, then I am getting 3. In 3 I am adding 1, then I am getting 4. Like that, here one number is what increases by 1. Okay, here count is what increases by 1. Suppose I have this number. Okay, so here what, check, here 5, then after that 4, then 3, then 2. So here 5, when you subtract 1, then here you will get 4. If you subtract 1 from the 4, then you will get the answer 3. 3 minus 1, 2, and again 2 minus 1, again 1. So like that, this is what, this pattern is what repeating. Means the same counter is what getting subtracted from the numbers. Okay, these are known as what, the specific or specific patterns we are calling. Okay, so we did this in skip counting for a lower standards. So here that part only extended, but here we have some formulas also. Okay, so here in AP, normally AP is denoted as, okay, A comma A plus D, okay, A plus 2D and so on. So here A is the first term, A is the first term, okay, and we have D is nothing but common difference. We have D is nothing but common difference. Can you getting this? D is a common difference. Then how we are calculating common difference? Common difference we are calculating by next number minus the previous number. So common difference D is equal to A plus D, okay, minus A. Like this we are calculating the common difference of these numbers. Getting this? Then any if we want to find out, okay, the AP with first term and common difference D, and suppose that term is having n number of terms, then we are writing an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is what we have one formula. Suppose if they are giving first term, how many terms are there and common difference is given, then you can able to find the nth term of that AP. Okay, and we have sum of first n term is given by the formula sum of n term. Sum of n terms is given by Sn. Sn is nothing but sum of the given terms is equal to n by 2 inside the bracket 2a n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is what we have a formula. Okay, then here suppose if I split this n by 2, a plus a, this 2a I am writing a plus n minus 1 into d. So if you take this a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but an. Okay, so in some cases we are writing n by 2 a plus an, or we are writing n by 2 a plus l. L is nothing but the last term. Can you getting this? So we are modifying this formula. Getting this? Write down this. Write down. Copy this. Don't take screenshot. You can write down everything. everyone is copied? Okay, now these are the formulas given. Then once you did this, then we can go for the numericals. Okay, one more thing, one important thing you can write down. Suppose if they are giving the questions in terms of variables, okay, means suppose sometimes they are giving if A, B and C are in AP, then find out the terms and all. That time they will ask. So keep that trick also with you. Suppose write down A, B, C are in AP, A, comma B, comma C are in AP. Okay, then we are writing B is equal to A plus C by 2. That is the average. Okay, or B is called as what? Arithmetic mean. B is called as what? Arithmetic mean. Okay, and arithmetic mean of which two numbers? A and C. Arithmetic mean of A and C. Okay, so this is also there. So in that case you can write here B minus A is equal to C minus B, means this C minus B, sorry B. Then here once we get this B, you can transpose to this side. B plus B is equal to C plus A. So 2B is equal to C plus A, that is equal to B is equal to, we can write C plus A by 2. That only we get here. Okay. So this is one formula we have. Keep it this with you. Okay, after this we can go for the numericals. Write down. Everyone can copy this. Everyone can copy this. Who all are there? Just type a message. Who all are there in the meeting now? Okay, write down. 20th term of an AP. 20th term of an AP. 20th term of an AP is 10 comma 7 comma 4 and so on. Is options are given. Options are write down. First option 67, 47, minus 47 and minus 77. 20th term of an AP. 20th term of an AP is given as 10, 7, 4 and so on. Here we want to find out 20th term. Okay, and options are given 67, 47, minus 47 and minus 77. Okay, so here we want to find out the 20th term of this. So 20th term, if we want to find out, that is here n is given, no? N is given 20 here. So n is 20 here. A is first term is 10. Common difference is what? 7 minus 10. That is nothing but here minus 3. Okay, don't make a mistake here. Plus 3 if you are writing, entire answer went wrong. Okay, 7 minus 10 is nothing but minus 3. So first, which formula we can find use? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A कितना है? A is nothing but 10. Here 28th term. A 28th term, n will become 20 minus 1 into D minus 3. So 20 minus 1 is nothing but 19. 19 into minus 3 is a minus 19 into 3. Okay, now check here. So it will come minus 47. Minus 47 is the answer. Okay, because 19 into 3 is nothing but what? Minus 57. Correct? 10 minus 57. After subtraction we are giving greater number sign. So answer is here minus 47. Check the option. Which option will correct here? Option C is the correct option over here. Okay. Everyone finished? Then write down next one. If an AP, everyone copied this? Okay. Some questions are easy, then you can do along with me. So if an AP, next question, if an AP D is equal to minus 4, D is equal to minus 4, D is equal to minus 4, M is equal to 7 and AN is equal to 4. Okay, then A is, options are 6, 7, C 20 and D 28. Okay, so can you find out the answer for this? We have to find out A. A means what? The first term we have to find out. Okay, so first term is what here? Which formula? See, D is given, N is given, N is given. That means you can use the formula N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so A is nothing but how much here? A we have to find out. Okay, nth term is given 4. Substitute the value. N is 7 minus 1 and D is minus 4. So 4 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to A minus 24. 24 you can transpose over here. 4 plus 24 is equal to A. Then A is equal to 28. Option D is the correct answer. Check the answer with me. At least don't leave 1 mark question from this chapter. Okay. Copy this properly. Okay, so can we go for the next problem? Write down next the missing terms in a AP. The missing terms in AP. I hope everyone is copied this. The missing term in AP. The missing terms in AP, and the AP is given dash, comma 13, comma dash 3 are, and options are given first 11 and 9, B 17 and 9, C 18 and 8 and D 18 and 9. Okay, these are the options given. Okay, so how to find out this? This is also very important. As this is given as a 1 mark, but this is not a 1 mark question. Okay, so how to find out this here? So basically, whenever this kind of questions will come, we don't know first term, second term we know, third term we don't know, and then fourth we know. So can you write down here as a A1, A2, A3 and A4? Okay, can we write it like this? Okay. So I want to find out A1 and A3 over here. Okay. So if this kind of questions are there, then first you can give the naming properly. Okay. Then how can you write here? A2 is nothing but what you are? 13. Okay. A2 is nothing but what here? 13. A2 is nothing but 13. And if from this I can write n is equal to 2. Okay, and nth term, a second term is 13, no? So can I use this formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this an is nothing but 2 I will write is equal to a plus n minus 1. So n is nothing but here I am taking 2, that means 2 minus 1 into d. D I will write it as like this. Can you getting this? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So a2 is nothing but what? 13, no? So I will substitute here 13. So 13 is equal to what? A plus 2 minus 1 is nothing but what? D. Okay, keep this equation as a 1. Can you getting up to here? सबको समझ में आ रहा है up to here? Okay. Now once you get this as a equation number 1, then again you can check here. A fourth term is nothing but 3. That means n is equal to 4 and a4 is nothing but 3. Then we can again use n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a nth term, that is a fourth term, is 3. A I will keep it as it is. So here n is 4. 4 minus 1 is a 3d. So this is equation number 2. Okay, so I got here two equations. A plus d is equal to 13, which is my first equation, and second equation a plus 3d is equal to 3. Okay, this is nothing but what? The my second equation, and then you can solve this by elimination method. So subtract this. Okay, subtract so that all the lower signs are what get changed. So ignore previous signs. Okay, here initially 3 is plus. So when we subtract, the sign is what get changed. So a minus a get cancelled. D minus 3d is nothing but minus 2d is the, and here 13 minus 3 is 10. So here we can write d is equal to minus 10 by 2. So that d is nothing but what? Minus 5. Can you get in here? So once we get the common difference, so put the common difference in any number and find out the value for a. So here I will use 13 is equal to a plus d. So here a I will keep it as it is, minus 5 plus 13. So here 13 minus 5 you can transpose, this will become plus a. So a is equal to what? 18. Can you getting this? Okay, so here the term will come, first term will come 18. Can you getting this? So find out the next term. Oh, a is minus 5, no, sorry, a is minus 5. So yeah, a is minus 5. Yeah, we got 18. Then next check how much you will get. A third term you will get how much? Next answer check. D we got minus 5. Yes, A we got as a 18. Then find out the A third term. Okay, A third term you can find out how much you will get A third. As I don't have a space here, but okay. A third we have to find out, no? So this I use this equation here. 3 is equal to yeah, 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. So 8 is, that means option C is the correct option. Okay, subtract 13 में से minus 5 you can subtract it, then you will get the third term. Okay, find out. So you will get the answer 18, 13, 8 and 3. Okay, so option C is the correct option. Okay, write down next question. Write down next question. The sum of first 5 multiples of 5. the sum of the first five multiples of 5. Next question, the sum of the first five multiples of 5, and options are given 75. First one, option 75. Second option is given 85. Third option is 65. And last option is 70 minus 75. Okay, so here I will repeat the question. The sum of the first five multiples of 5 is 75, 85, 65 and minus 75. Okay, and find out the answer. Here first multiples are nothing but what? 5 first multiples. 5 first multiples we have. We know that 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, these are the first 5 multiples. So from this we can write A is 5, D is nothing but 5. Okay, and here A fifth, last term is also A fifth. So an is equal to 5. So you can use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What they are asking? Sum they are asking, no? Okay, sum they are asking, no need to calculate this. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 twice of a, n minus 1 into d. So everything we have, substitute the value and check the answer. Here 5 by 2, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, common difference is 5. Okay, so I will take 5 common, 5 into 5, so 2 plus 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. Okay, divided by 2, so 5 into 5 divided by 2 into 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, so here 3, so 25 into 3. So answer is 75. Answer is here 75. Okay, copied everyone? Then write down next one. For what value for k? For what value of k will? For what value of k will? Everyone finished, no? For what value of k will k plus 9, k plus 9, comma 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 7, 2k plus 7 are the consecutive terms of an AP, are the consecutive terms of an AP. Okay, they are asking here what will be the value for k? Will k plus 9 comma 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 7 are the consecutive terms of an AP. Okay, so here they gave these numbers. Okay, 3 numbers are given, they are in AP. Okay, and we have to find out the value for k. Okay, so how can you find out here? Just now I find out the arithmetic mean, no? B is equal to what? A plus C by 2. So here if this is A, B and C, so 2B is equal to what? A plus C. So 2B, 2 into B. B is how much? 2k minus 1. A is k plus 9 plus 2k plus 7. Can you getting how I use the formula here? So 2 into 2, 4k minus 2. 2 I am multiplying inside the bracket. K plus 9. 1k plus 2k is nothing but 3k, and 3k, and here 9 plus 7. So 16. So k you can transpose here. 4k minus 3k is equal to 16, and this minus 2 transpose over there. So this will become 18, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So k value is equal to 18. Okay, getting this? So this kind of questions maybe 1 or 2 marks ke liye they will ask in exam. Okay, do it properly. So arithmetic mean ka formula you can remember or memorize. If this kind of questions will come, this is one easiest way to find out the answers. Okay, copied everyone up to here. Now, next one, write down what is the common difference of an AP. What is the common difference of an AP? What is the common difference of an AP which A27 means A27 or 21? Yeah, 21 minus A7 is equal to 84. Is equal to 84. Okay, they are asking what is the common difference between them. They are asking here common difference. Okay, so once you check the question, use the formula to get the desired answer. So how you will get the answer here? A21 minus A7. So can you use this formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A plus n. N is nothing but what here? 21 minus 1 and 2D. Minus, we can write here A. So put the bracket because outside there is a negative sign. Okay, why? Always suppose positive is there, then that doesn't matter. The signs, internal signs will not change. But if minus is there, then internal signs are what getting changed. So here you can keep the bracket and write here A plus again n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 into D is equal to 84. Okay, so now 21 minus 1 is 20D. Then multiply this negative sign inside the bracket. A minus A and plus minus is minus 6D is equal to 84. So now A minus A get cancelled. Now here 20D minus 6D is nothing but 14D is nothing but 84. So D is equal to what? 84 by 14. Okay, and how you will get the answer? 14 6 are 84. So D is what here? 6. Getting this? Calculate. Okay, finished. Write down the next question. Write down the next question. Which term of an AP, which term of an AP, which term of an AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 20 more, will be 120 more than its 21st term, okay, 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 120 more than its 21st term. So we have to find out the answer over here. So they are asking what the term of an AP. Which term of an AP they are asking. Term means what? Here we have to find out n. Okay, we are interested in small n. And here AP is given. Okay, so from this AP, how can we write? The statement is given. According to that statement, we can write here AN is equal to 120 more than its 21st term. So here A 21st plus 120. Can you getting this? Okay. So here we have to find out the answer for this. So how can we calculate now? We don't know A nth term, but A 21st term so we can calculate, no? Okay. So A 21st term is nothing but what here? A 21st. That means here for A 21st we can write n is equal to 21. Okay. And here A is equal to, we can write it as what? 3, no? So A is nothing but 3. And common difference is how much? 15 minus 3. That is nothing but 12. So we got this much. So can we calculate A21? So A21 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is here 3, n minus 1, that is 21 minus 1, and D is nothing but 12. So 3 plus 20 into 12. So 3 plus 20 for 240 plus 3 is nothing but 243. So 243, I got A21. So 122 number is there, that is get added. Now we have to find out. We don't know about AN. So how to calculate AN? AN we can calculate, no? Like this. AN is equal to, according to this statement only, A 21st term I got 243 plus 120 is nothing but 3, 6 and 3. 363 is the ANth term we got. Okay. ANth term I got this. Then I am interested in N. Okay. So how can you write here? So how can we find out here AN? AN is nothing but what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN term is nothing but 363. A is nothing but 3. And I have to find out, and common difference we got it as 12. So here 363 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 12. So here 360 and this 12 is multiplied, divide this n minus 1. So 12, 30, 12 into 3 is 36 and 0. So here 30 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to what? 31st term. So n is equal to, I am getting 31. This is also 2-mark question, IMP question. I am trying to cover the variety from this chapter. Okay. Copy this properly. Okay. So chalo, next question. Write down next question. Find the 28th term from the last term of an AP. Find the 28th term from the last term of the AP. 3, 8, 13 and so on to 53. Okay. 3, 8, 13 and so on to 53. Last term is 253 is given. Okay, question is that find the 28th term from the last term of an AP. Okay, so question is very important. From the last term they are saying. Okay, so I'll write down the AP and then we can, what is the logic behind this, that we can study. Okay, so here 20th term from the last term of an AP. AP is given 3, 8, 13 and so on. 253 is the last term. Okay. So here first term, at least normal things you can write down. First term is 3, common difference is 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. Once you get this, then what is here last term? Last term is 253. Okay, after that it is ending only. Okay, suppose if they are giving like this 8, 3 and so on. So 13 is not a last term. This AP is what? Infinite. Okay, so in this infinite AP there is a no last term. But if they are mentioning it like this, here last number is 253 and after that nothing is there. They are not giving a full stop like how we are doing in English or Hindi or other subjects. Here their number is stopped, means that is the end of this AP. Okay, so 253 is a last term over here and they are asking what? The 20th term from the last. Okay, means suppose here we have a common difference is 5. So you can subtract 5 as you are coming back. Okay, so you will get the previous term. So I want to find out from last, I want to find out 28th term. Can you getting the question? Okay, how to find out this? How can you find out this? Do you have any idea? We did one formula. Okay, the 28th term from last. How we are calling? If suppose a person is sitting at the last bench and behind that who will sit? So we are calling it as second last bench, stand up. Okay, third last bench, stand up, like that. Okay, so here we have a formula L minus, okay, L minus n minus 1 into D. We have this formula. If this kind of questions will come, okay, then L minus n minus 1 into D. So L is nothing but what here? 253 minus 28th term they are saying minus 1 and common difference is what here? 5. Okay, so common difference is 5. So 253 minus 19 into 5. Okay, do this and check the answer. 19 5s are 95. So here answer will come 90. Not 90, 158. 158 is the answer. Okay, some people what they are doing, once they calculate the common difference, that they are taking this as a minus 5 and they are subtracting a previous term and they will reverse this AP, and that way also we will get the answer. Copy this. Today I will try to cover all first AN related questions. Then tomorrow we will go for sum related questions. Okay. Copied. So write down next question. Write down next question. If 7 times the 7th term, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP, if the 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times its 11th term, then find its 18th term. I'll repeat this question. If 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term, find its 18th term. This kind of questions are also there. Okay, 7th times. Read the statement properly and try to obtain the equation according to the statement. 7 times of the 7th term. Okay, of means multiplication. Of operator is nothing but what here? Multiplication. Okay, so I will write according to this statement 7 times the 7th term. So a into 7 into a 7 is equal to 11 times. Is equal to 11 times of the 11th term. Can you getting this? Then find its 18th term. So here they are giving 7, here they are giving 11, and they are asking something 18th term they are asking to find out. Okay, that means from here you will get either A or D. Okay, and from that you have to find out the 18th term. Understood? So here again you can use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I request you all, as I am teaching you, but every time I am writing the formula. Okay, so don't be lazy, write the formula wherever it is necessary. At least for writing formula, correct formula, they will assign at least half mark. Okay, so don't lose these marks. So here if we use this formula, 7 into A7 is nothing but what? A plus n minus 1. N is nothing but here 7. So here 7 minus 1 into D is equal to 11 into. We have inside the bracket here A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Getting this? Now 7 multiplied by, inside the bracket you can simplify this. A plus 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6D is equal to 11 inside the bracket A plus 10D. Okay, now 7 multiply this inside the bracket, 7A plus 7 6 are 42. 11A plus 110D. Okay, once you get it up to here, now try to obtain the value for A and D. Check what you will get. You will get here not a value for A and D, you will get the relation. Okay, so here 7A minus 11A is equal to 110D minus 42D. Okay, I will get the values like this. So 11 minus 7 is nothing but how much? Minus 4A, and 110 minus 42 is nothing but 68. Or not, yeah, minus 60 means 68. So here you will get 68. So A is equal to 68D. So minus I will transpose, and 4 also I will divide to that side. So minus 68 by 4 into D. So here you will get 17. Okay, 17 minus 17D. So we will get the relation A is equal to what? 17 minus 17D. I am not getting exact value of A, but my aim is what? To find out A18. So A18th term I want to find out. So if I want to find out A18th term, then use again A18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D. So A I got it as what? Minus 17D plus 18 minus 1 is nothing but 17. D I don't know. So here plus 17D and minus 17D get cancelled, and A18th term is equal to what? 0. Are you getting this? Okay, this is also 2 and 3 marks. Sometimes they will ask. Copy this. Okay, can you getting? So write down next question. how many integers between find how many integers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 8. How many integers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 8? Okay, so these kind of questions are also very important. Find how many integers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 8. Okay, here number range is mentioned, okay, but AP is not given. That means we have to form an AP over here. Okay, AP is not given, we have to form a AP over here. The number range is given, that is 200 to 500. That integers range is given over here. Okay, so first write down that numbers, form an AP, and then we can think what we have to do. Okay, here the AP, how to form AP, they are saying here the integer range is given 200 to much 500. Okay, and here clause is what? The number 8 should be divisible. Okay, means we have to find out the numbers in between 200 to 500 which are completely divisible by 8. Okay, so 200, 201, that odd number, check the ones place, units place. So check accordingly and then check. First is 208, then next is 216, then 224 and so on. Okay, once this is what just table is there, remind it. Then last number is what? 500 is not divisible, so 499 is also not divisible, 498 is also not divisible, 497 is also not divisible, but 496 is also what? 496 is divisible. So this is what we got it as a last term. Can you getting how to form an AP? If the given range is given and the clauses are given, then we can form a AP over here. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out how many numbers are divisible. That means how many numbers, that means I am interested in n. Okay, and here A is given 208, D is nothing but 8 because it is divisible by 8. So A is given 8 here. Okay, so here then solve this question. So we can write here an is nothing but a plus n minus 1d. A is 208, n minus 1, and d is given 8. Now what about n? n is nothing but what? Your last term, no? And last term is nothing but what? Last term is nothing but 496. So 496 minus 208, n minus 1 into 8. So simplify this. 496 minus 208 is nothing but what? 8, then 8, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 288 is equal to n minus 1 into 8. So 8 you can transpose to this side, this gets divided. So n minus 1. Okay, so divide this, check how much is the answer we are getting. 24 n minus 1. So here n you will get it as 37. And we are getting it as a 37. Getting how we are doing? Can you all getting how we are doing the operation? How we are forming an AP? Don't sit blindly. Okay, ma'am is solving, we are copying. Okay, use your brains. Now this is a crucial time. Okay, I am thinking like that you know something from this chapter. Okay, don't wait for for me to solve this. At least use whatever the knowledge you have and start solving and check the answers, verify the answers. Write down next question. Write down next question. The fifth term of an AP, the fifth term of an AP the fifth term of an AP is 26. The fifth term of an on an AP is 26 and its 10th term is 51 and its 10th term is 51. Its 10th term is 51. Find the AP. Find the AP. Okay, I'll repeat the question. The fifth term of an AP is 26 and its 10th term is 51. Find the AP. Okay, so try to solve this question. Check how we can do. Fifth term of an AP is 26 and the 10th term of an AP is 51. Okay, so this kind of questions will come in for this case based question, because I observe many times here also those who are attending test, they are making a mistake in AP. No one is writing appropriate answer because understanding is not there. Okay, so if that is not there, then you cannot score. So try to understand what is given. Okay, find the fifth term of an AP is 26. Okay, so here A5 is given 26 and the 10th term of an AP is 51. That means A10 is nothing but here 51. Okay, so here I will write A5 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That means formula. So A5 is equal to A plus n is 5 minus 1 into D. So A5 is 26, so A plus 4D. Okay, so this is my equation number 1 and here I wrote the formula, so you can again write the formula and solve. So here I am writing directly A plus 9 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is what my second equation. Once you get equation 1 and 2, you can subtract that. Okay, 51 is equal to A plus 9D and here 26 is equal to A plus 4D. Subtract, all the signs are get changed for this equation. So here A and minus A get cancelled. So 51 minus 26 is nothing but how much? We will get 5 and here 2 minus here 25 is equal to 5 D. So D is equal to what I am getting? 5. Okay. Once you get D 5, substitute in an equation and find out the answer for A. Okay. 26 is equal to A plus 4 into 5. So 26, 5 4s are 20, minus 20 is equal to A. A is equal to what? 6. Okay. And what they are asking here? Find an AP. Okay, A you got, D you have. So A, how we are writing AP? First term I got 6 and in 6 you can add 5, that is 11. In 11 add again 5, that is 16. Again in 16 add 5, then you will get 21 and so on. Okay, not 16, 17 sorry. Okay, 6, 11, 17 and so on. Okay, so this is what an AP. Getting this? Okay, copy this. Write down next question. Write down next question. In a certain AP, in a certain AP, in certain AP, 32nd term or 32th term is twice 32 or 32nd term is twice the 12th term. Twice the 12th term. Twice the 12th term. Prove that 17th term is twice. Prove that 17th term. Sorry, it's not 17th. 70th term. 70. 70th term. 70th term is twice the 31st term. Twice the 31st term. देखो, what is the question here? In a certain AP, 32nd, that is 32th term is twice the 12th term. Prove that 70th term is twice the 31st term. Okay. Actually, we have to prove that a 70th is equal to twice a 31. Means we know what we have to prove, but how we have to prove is very important. So here it is given. Means what we have to prove, that is given. Okay, we have to prove here a 70th term. We have to prove a 70th term is twice the a which term? A 31st term. This I want to prove. Okay. And what they are saying here, in certain AP, 32nd term is twice of the 12th term. This is given. What? 32th term is what? Twice the 12th term. Twice the 12th term. Okay. That means can we write A32 is equal to twice the A12? Can we write it like this? Okay. So use the formula. Which formula? You can write here A plus n minus 1 d is equal to 2 into A plus n minus 1 into d. Don't cancel here. So A plus n minus 1. 32 minus 1 is 31d. Here 2 into what is there? A plus 12 means here 11d. Can you get in this? Okay. So now A plus 31d, 2 multiply inside the bracket, 2A plus 11d. So transpose this A towards this side, minus 2A, 11d minus 31d. That is minus A is equal to minus 20. Okay, minus and minus get cancelled. So A is equal to what? 20d. This relation I got. Okay. 20, no, it's correct. 0 minus 2A. This is 12th term, no? So, I did a mistake here, no? 22. 2 into 11 is 22. That is what? Yeah. 22. Here it will come 22. And here you will get 31 minus 22 is nothing but how much? This is correct, no? 31. Yeah, 31 is nothing but 9. It is minus 9. So minus and this minus get cancelled and you will get A is equal to 90. Okay, A is equal to what? 90. I got this relation. Okay, now they are saying we have to prove A70 is equal to twice of A30 first. So I know A70, can we write A70 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 69D. We can write it like this, correct? So once we write it like this, then what are the changes we can make here? We got A is nothing but 9D, no? Correct? A is nothing but 9D. I will write here A value is nothing but 9D plus 69 into D. Okay, so once you add this, you will get here 78D. So this is nothing but what? A70th term. Getting this? And what is A30? A31st? A31st is nothing but A30 into D, and A value is again 9D plus 30D, that is equal to 39D. Okay, I got these values over here. So from this we can write, no? Can we write this A70 is equal to twice of A30 first? Check. Can we write, because 39 plus 39 is nothing but 78, no? So we can write, no, directly now A70 is equal to twice into A30 first. Okay, so this is what the proof. Getting this? Copy this. Write down. Next question. Find the middle term. Find the middle term of an AP. Oh, board is shining, no? So write down the middle term of an AP. The middle term of an AP the middle term of an AP find the middle term of an AP, and AP is given here 213, 205, 197 and so on is equal to 30, that is 37. Okay, so here we have to find out the middle term. We never calculated middle term. How to find out the middle term? Okay, so here middle term means here AP ends at 37, means n number of terms are there, I don't know. And then middle term, suppose if I have total 11 numbers, then mid value we can calculate. Okay, so we are cutting one from the right and one from the left, and whatever the term is there, that is the middle value we are taking. But here I can't predict which one is middle value, because I can't write this entire 80. Okay, so that is here we have to find out n. Okay, number of terms we have to find out first. Okay, and that you can divide by 2, then you will get the answer. Okay, so now here we can write here what is the first term. Write down the given terms properly. 213. Common difference is what? 205 minus 230. That is equal to minus 8. Okay, that is equal to minus 8. And last term of an AP is nothing but what? 37. So we have AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This AN is nothing but what? Your last term. So last term is 37. A is nothing but I have 213. n I have to find out, and d is nothing but here minus 8. Getting this? So here 37 minus 213, okay, equal to n minus 1 into minus 8. So whatever the answer you will get, that is minus, and it is get cancelled afterwards. Okay, so here it is comes it comes how much? Minus 176. N minus 1, this minus 8 I will transpose here, minus minus get cancelled, 8 2s are 16, here 1, 8 2s are 16. So n minus 1 is equal to 22 and n is equal to 23. See, I got n is equal to what? 23, which is odd number. We can't find out now n. Middle term 23 by 2. Okay, so that some point value we will get. We will not get the answer. But in class 9 we learned. Okay, if odd number is comes, then what we are doing to get the middle value or even number. So here to get the mid value, we can write 23 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. So 12th term is what here middle value. Okay, now you can calculate A12. Okay, now we can calculate here A12, that is a mid value. A12, A कितना होगा? 213. So here 12 minus 1 and common difference we have here minus 8. 213 minus 11 into 8. So 213 minus 88. Calculate this answer. That is equal to 125. Okay. So this is what the answer. Can you getting how we are solving the questions? Okay, I will try to cover all the varieties from this chapter, at least practice at home. Okay. Here we calculated middle term of the AP, that is we got 125. Okay, write down next question. For what value of n, for what value of n are the nth term of 2 TWO, 2 APs. Write down first AP 63, 65, 67 and so on. 63, 65, 67 and so on. And second AP is given 3, 10, 17. 3, 10, 17 and so on, equal, question mark, equal. Okay, so here question is what? For what value of n and nth terms, n and n are the nth terms of AP, 2 AP, 63, 65 and 67 and so on. 3 comma 10 comma 17 equal, so on equal. So they are asking whether this nth terms are equal, that they are asking if we compare with the n. Okay, so here they are asking what value for n. That means n also we have to find out, and for which value of n the second AP is correct or not, that we have to explain here. Okay, so try this question. Equal, and they are giving question mark. Equal means we have to take here both the APs are equal and then find out the n over here. Yeah, I will try this. Here here two APs are given. One is 63 comma 65 and 67, no? Yeah, 67 and so on. And another AP is given, that is 3 comma 10 comma 17, 3 comma 10 comma 17 and so on. And they are saying these two APs are same. Okay, so what I will do, I will take A is equal to, okay, I will write here A is equal to this. A I will take it as a capital A. First term only 3. Common difference 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. Okay, and for this AP I will take common difference is small d and first term is small a. So common difference is here comes as a 2. Okay, so these are the quantities we got here. Can you getting this? Okay, so now they are saying for what value of n our nth term of the two APs are equal. Okay, that means here they are saying an is equal to capital A n. Can you getting this? So both the terms are equal. Then I will write this as a with green color only. A n. Okay. So here we can write the formula as a plus n minus 1 into capital D, because here we took it as a capital D, and here we can write a plus n minus 1 into D. So a is here 63, n we have to find out, and D is 2. Then we can write here a as a 3 plus n minus 1 and D is 7. Okay. Now here 63, now you can simplify, okay, and find out the value for n. So 63 plus twice of n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Okay, so 63 minus 2 is nothing but 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4. Okay, so here 61 and minus 4 you can transpose, it will become plus. 2n you can transpose, that will become minus. 61 plus 4 is a 65 and 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5n. So n is nothing but how much here? 13. Okay, so n we will get how much here? 13. So their 13th term are what? May be equal. Getting this? This is 3-mark question. Okay, this is the 12-mark question. This is 3-mark question. Copy this properly. Okay, copied everyone. Okay, copied everyone. Write down the next question. If the 10th term of an AP, if the 10th term of an AP is 52, if 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is 20 more than, and 17th term is 20 more than the 13th term, more than 13th term, find AP. Find AP. I'll repeat this question. If the 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is 20 more than 13th term, find AP. Find AP. Find AP. Okay, so 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is what? 20 more than 13th term. So find the AP. So according to that you can substitute the values over here, obtain the equation according to the statement. Okay. Suppose if any sum first part AN related questions are left today, okay, then I will take that in the afternoon. I will keep one more session, and tomorrow morning I will start sum wala part, that is second part. Okay, sum of the APs, very important. So try to solve this question. What are the statements given? I hope you all are doing before me only. Okay, so 10th term of an AP is 52. A 10th is equal to 52. A 17th term is 20 more than 13th term. 20 more than A 13th term. Okay, so can you find out this now? Check what you will get the answer for this. Here we can write A17 minus A13 is equal to 20. Okay, so A10 is nothing but AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, that is 52 is equal to A plus 9D. So keep this as a equation number 1. Okay, so here now for A17 can we write A plus N minus 1, that is 16D minus A plus 12D is equal to 20D. Okay, so A plus 16D minus sign inside the bracket multiply minus 12D is equal to 20. So plus A minus A get cancelled. 16 minus 12, that is nothing but 4D is equal to 20. So D is nothing but how much? 5. Okay, see, we got value for D. So substitute D here, no? So put D is equal to 5 in equation number 1. Write the steps properly. 52 is equal to A plus 9 into 5. Okay, 52 is equal to A 45. So 52 minus 45 is equal to A. So 45 plus 5 is 50 and then A is 7. A, you will get it as 7. I got A, I got D. Then what they are asking? They are asking us to form an AP. So A, so I got 7. Okay, add D into that. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 and so on. Okay. So this is what? An AP. If the questions are given like this, then you can find out the AP. Okay, copy this. Okay, write down next question. Write down the question. An AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which 23rd term is 12. 23rd term is 12 and the last term is 106. And the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. I'll repeat this. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. Try this question. Check can you able to solve or not. Okay. What is the answer? Is anyone solved? AP consists of 50 terms. Okay, AP consists of 50 terms means n is equal to 50. Okay, n is equal to 50 over here. N is equal to 50. So n is equal to, once you write 50, then what are the given terms? Check again. And 50 we got. Then 50 term, of which third term is 12. Okay, a third is equal to 12 and last term means a nth term is 106. Okay, a nth term is 106. So last term is 50, that means this is a 50th term, or we can take it as a last term, that is 150. Okay, then they are asking a 29th term they are asking. Okay, so can I write here a 50 is equal to n, not n, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a 50 is 106, a I don't know, n is nothing but 50 minus 1 is 49, and common difference also I don't know. Okay, can we write it up to here? So take this as a equation number 1. You can take this as a equation number 1. A plus 49d is equal to 106. Okay, and here we know a third term also. So a third is nothing but, can I write a3 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a3 is a 12, a I don't know, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2d. This is equation number 2. So now if I write 106 is equal to a plus 49d, then we can write here 12 is equal to a plus 2d. Now you can solve this by elimination method, subtract it, a and a get cancelled. So 106 minus 12, that is 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4, and 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9, and here it is 47d. Can you getting this? So simplify this, you will get the value for d here. Check d, you will get 94 by 47, that is equal to 2. Correct? So we will get 2 as a d. Now from this you can find out the value for a. Any one of the equation you can put. 12 is equal to a plus 2 into 2. 12 is equal to a plus 4. So 12 minus 4 is equal to a. So a is equal to 8. Okay. So a is equal to how much? 8. Once you got a, then we are not in a and d. We are not interested in a and d. We are interested in a 29th term. So a 29th term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A I got it as a. 29 minus 1 is 28, and d I got it as 2. Okay. So do these operations. So here we will get the answer as a 64. That's it. This is what the answer. Getting this? Copy this. Okay, everyone copied. So practice this. So today evening, today afternoon, I will keep one more session, at least for only half hour, because few questions are left. Okay, 5 marks 1 question and 3 mark 2 questions are left. So that I will cover by the today evening, and if suppose something is new mentioned on the group, mentioned on the site, that also I will cover in the today's afternoon session. Okay, so thank you for joining. I will end this meeting.